Hello viewers, how are you? Narrator is here again. Uh, we are continuing our decision support system. The other time, we managed to make the marks out of 60. We managed to write this formula there such that if I type 1, the marks is going to take the marks for assignment, which is 50. Where is it taken from? It's taken from here. Assignment, which is 50, tax 2, which is text. So if I type 2 there, it's supposed to show 60 there. So let's see. So if I type 2, that is text 60. If I type 3, it's supposed to show investigation and 70. So let me type 3 here, investigation 70. Then the hours also change. The duration also changes. The duration was 3 hours. 3 hours for investigation. That is task 3. Let me type 2. It has changed to 1 hour. Just task 1 and task 2 for test. Then if I type 1, it has changed to 2 hours for this one assignment. We also did the term. All these are for term 1. We can increase it to term 2, term 3, term 4, term etc. Alright. But for now, we are dealing with term 1. We'll deal with term 2 in another video. Let's look at, so here we'll come back to it. Let's look at the number of learners. The number of learners. How do we deal with this side? Number of learners. Now, if the number of learners, we are also going to take it from this side. From this side. Alright. So let's see the formula that we are going to write there. Equals to on your back when everybody was gone. Mama, you are the boss. Mama, count A. We are using this function. Then this is going to count the number of people or the number of students that are available. So you see that the number of students are 4. Assuming I add another learner, let's say Kofi and San. If I add this, you see that they were 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I've added another learner, so it must change. Now it is 5. If I add another, let's say Desmond, don't call. When I was sick, mama. You see that it has changed towards 6. Then we want to find before we can calculate the normal root. Okay, let's deal with the normal root. The normal root the strength of my mother, you make it. This one is talking about the total number of learners who wrote the paper. Alright, so here we are also going to deal with that one also. but we are going to create a space because we need to know the normal root for this, the normal root for this, the normal root for that one. Alright, so let's deal with first one, then we will build the next one also. So to deal with the first one, we can say equals to, we count the normal, count count the first one, four people wrote assignment, but this is only for assignment. What about if it is investigation? So we are going to build the formula. How do we build it? I'm going to cut this. You cheered me up when I was bored. You are the only one who did not. And paste it here. You always pray for me to be strong. You spiritually correct me when I was wrong. I appreciate for kicking the devil to. Remember the first one I did, it was for assignment, né? So let me write assignment here. Short form for assignment is this. Then I'm going to deal with investigation. Okay, let me deal with test. Now the test, I'm also going to do the same. Count I did not bring the equal, or anytime you are writing Excel formula, the equal must come. So count it's also 4. Then the next one is investigation. So investigation, let me just write invest. I'm going to do the same. You spoke wisdom to me. The teaching of kindness is your tongue, Mama. The strength of my mother is greater than natural law. Your place cannot be taken by the strength. Okay. Investigation is also 4. Now I'm going to link it to this side. How am I going to link it? I'm going to link it in such a way that if I type 1, it must print this one. If I type 2, it must print this. If I type 3, it must print this. So how am I going to do that? Equal to if. Many women have done excellently well, but you surpass them all. If this one is equals to 1, print this. Otherwise, print empty. So you see that if it is 1, it's printing this one. What if it is 2? It will print empty, because that is what the formula says. It says if it is 1, it should print this one. Any other normal, don't print anything. So we are going to improve upon the formula. So this is going to be if this is 2, you must print this. Otherwise, print whatever you have there. Wait a minute, I do remember you took me to the pulpit to dedicate me to God. Then if you are the only one who did not hesitate to carry my cross, this is equals to 3. You spiritually correct me when I was. Print this. Otherwise, print whatever you have there.
Mama, you are the boss. Mama, you are the boss. Mama.
So let's see if it is 3. We still have that. Assuming investigation, this learner Desmond Donko got 30. See that I've increased that one. And assuming this learner did not write assignment, and this learner did not write investigation but got 50 and got 60. So I just want to bring variation. So if it is 1, it's going to print 3 because that's assignment. How many learners wrote? 1, 2, 3. If it is 2, it's going to be 5. That is test. How many learners wrote test? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is 3, it's going to print 5. How many learners wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So we are done with this. Okay. I want us to look at average. Let's look at average. For the average also, we are going to do the same.
I rise up and call you blessed. Many women have done excellently.
Now our average mark,
you surpass them all. Mama, mama, mama.
we are going to pick it from this side. So we are going to do 1, then we'll do the rest. So the average mark is equal to average.
The strength of my mother is your strength is greater.
See that we have average here as a function. Then it's going to calculate the average for this.
Mama, your patience has no limits. When we were angry, you don't wait a minute to give us food. Hey, wait a minute. I do remember.
The last one. If you close it, that will be the average for investigation. But we need to do the average for the rest, for test and also for assignment, test and investigation. We've done only assignments. We need to do the rest. So how do we do it? I'm going to cut. Then I'm going to paste it here. So these are the averages. Assignment. Let me just copy this to this. Okay, so these are the averages. So you see that I'm writing the formula somewhere and bring the final one here. So the average for assignment is 36.7. Let's look at the average for test. The average for test.
You nursed me when I was a child. You clothed me with strength and dignity. You cried when I was sick.
It's also 38. Let's do the average for investigation.